Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I want to give you a quick update about all the projects that we are following, the sites that keep pumping crypto. There is probably one rug pull. I'm not really sure, but we're going to talk about that too. First of all, what a massive run we are having right now in the crypto space. Bitcoin is hitting right now the all-time high, sitting at 82,000. And of course, behind Bitcoin, all the altcoins are going to follow. I've been trading on my own, and I've been sharing some of those results in my Telegram group. I have an open position here in BingX. Yesterday, I opened a trade right here. This is a position of 3,000 USDT, thanks to the leverage of 20x that they gave me here. Now this position gave me a 139% in returns, in total gains. I've been taking profits along the way. Look, I opened it yesterday when Bitcoin was sitting at 76,000, right now 82,000. So we have so far a 139% in gains, really nice. I opened another one this morning and we got already 20% there. This is something that you can do yourself. You can run your open position here in BingX. I've been learning how to trade on my own, but I don't want to become that kind of guy that learn one strategy, it has a couple of wins and suddenly becomes a guru. Later on, if I feel more confident, probably I create my own copy trading here and you can follow it. For now, what I could do is probably show you the steps on how to open a position right here in BingX. I will leave the link down below so you can open your account and reach out, and I will tell you what to do to have an open position like this, that in this moment, Bitcoin is gonna keep going up. The experts are saying that it might go to 100,000. Some others say that it could go higher. Right now we are in 82,000. I really like Bitcoin. I want to focus on Bitcoin. All the altcoins are going to follow, I know, but me personally, I just want to focus on Bitcoin. I believe Bitcoin is going to keep growing. That's why I decided to leave here a couple of open positions. Of course, there is a risk because if the price pull back, and if you put so much leverage, you're probably going to be at risk. But right now with the current situation, I mean, if you place a position with a 10x or 20x, it's going to keep going up. And if we have a pullback, you still have some room to don't get liquidated. And still, if you are close to liquidation, you can add some extra funds, and that is going to expand your range. And well, that is something that I can explain you later if you are interested. All I want to say is that I'm super happy with all the results right now inside the crypto space. Now, if we talk about platforms, let's go to my favorite one. We have MevBridge. Still keeps going super solid. We keep receiving those payouts without any issue. The new alpha bot keeps growing every day. 1,300,000 in deposits inside this bot, this pool. The prime bot starts to move too, with 1,200,000 in deposits. I don't have much to say, guys. It's just working like it's supposed to do. I already finished my cycle here with the first alpha bot. I see MevBridge more like a long-term opportunity. There is a good risk management, and we have full access to all the reports inside the blockchain, which is something that I really appreciate and nobody's going to alter. All right. Total volume today, 2,700,000. Total profit, over 100,000 in total gains. And you can see there the transactions, the links. Really cool. This is working very nice without any problem. Now let's talk about Genesis Sol. This is a bot in Telegram. We have daily returns of 3.33% until we reach at 300% in total returns. That is including our deposit. Profit 7 days a week. Minimum deposit 20, minimum withdrawal 10. Withdrawals are instant. There were some issues with the withdrawals last week, and then a few days ago it happens again for a couple of hours. And of course everybody gets freaked out when something like that happens. But we have to give credit to these guys. They are answering all the questions. Right when all of that was happening, they were on top of the game, facing the issue, informing the community that there was a problem with the nodes. something that was affecting the payout system. But after a while, they fix all the problems, and that's really nice. I have a balance here. I want to perform a live withdrawal. Let's see how that goes. To do that, well, I need to click in a withdrawal. There is my wallet address. I just click on that one. I need to type the amount. I have 125.65. Let's click and enter. And let me open right here my wallet so we can see when that arrives. I think we got it. Right here we have the transaction ID. And look, we just got it. 125, which is what we request right here. 125.65. Okay. Which is that exact amount in SOL. The same one we got there. Perfect. Another successful withdrawal from Genesis SOL. Instant withdrawals. There are no issues, guys. And if you want to see all the information that I found about this, I'm going to put my full review right here in the top corner. And I also show you how to get started, which is pretty simple. Again, all of this is running inside Telegram. You need Telegram to make it work. And you also need a Solana wallet. I'm using Phantom. That's the one that they suggest. But if you have any other wallet that has the Solana network, you can use it. I deposit Solana right here because I want to make my Solana grow, especially right now in the bull market. But you have other cryptos right here, other options. Let me show you. When we click in deposit, then you need to type the amount. Let's say you want to deposit 100. All right. And it will show you the different options that you have to deposit. Solana, Ethereum, BNB, Tron, USDT in the Solana network, USDT in the TRC20 network, which is the most popular. I really like this one, performing really, really good. The other project that is doing a good job is TronGi. I just redeposit, and actually I upgrade my plan. Now I have in the 3% per day, 3% per day plan. Remember they have here 4 different staking options. 2% daily with a minimum deposit of 10, 1.8% daily with a minimum deposit of 50, and 3% daily with a minimum deposit of 400. So I'm trying this one now. I already finished 2 laps with the previous plan of 30 days. Now I'm gonna be running for 60 days. They are not making noise around. They are just delivering results. Payouts are going fast. And if you are a Tron user and you need energy to pay transactions, you can also purchase some energy using the TronGi system. And I also have a review talking about all of this. It's all good with TronGi. We have Celestion. This is another opportunity that I think is going to be a long-term option. You will find a PDF. Here you can find the information about not only the company and the system, but also the plans. No digit numbers. It goes from 0.55 up to 2.5% daily. But to get this 2.5% daily, well, you need a big deposit of 25,000. Most of us are going to fall into these plans, you know, from 0.95 to 1.15% daily. Accruals coming from Monday to Friday. They have small fees. They have a plan of risk management. They are giving us some reports inside the members area. And you can find those ones right here where it says trading terminal. We have the live trading, or we have the market overview. So it's really cool that they are giving us access to all of this. The plans look achievable. I have a small deposit there, and I already performed my first withdrawal. I have a video showing all of that. If you are looking for projects that can stay here for a while, probably you should take a look at Celestion. All right. Another one that we got started last week. This is pretty new. It's called Niolic or Niolic. I have a deposit there of 500. I performed already my first withdrawal. It went super fast. They have let me show you here in receive. I know this is the first step. If you want to get started, you select the type of crypto and you have all of these options to deposit. Just select the one that you want, click on it, and you send your risk capital to this wallet address. And after you deposit, well, you come right here where it says software, and there you will find the 3 different bots. This one is giving from 1% to 1.5% daily 7 days a week, running for 25 days, minimum deposit 10. For this one, minimum deposit 2,000, giving from 1.7 to 2.2%, running for 55 days. For the biggest one, giving 2.5 to 5% daily for 80 days with a minimum deposit of 25,000. So after you deposit, you click in this box or the box that you want to activate. And right here you type again the amount that you are depositing, select where you have the balance. It will show you the details of that plan, and all we need to do after is click in start, and that's it. It's going to start to produce. I think with those numbers and with a good management can become a long-term option. Anyways, time will tell. So we're going to keep an eye on this one. Another one that is new to the channel is DeltaDex. I think I got it started the same day with Niolic. This is this more risky because the numbers are a little bit higher, but not a little bit quite high. Right here you can have an up to 9% in daily returns. And you know already when we have high returns, that means we're going to have a high risk. The smallest plan is giving from 3% to 4.7% daily. This is the one that everyone takes just to give it a try. And you can do that with only 20 USDT. So far it's also working fine. I just made a video showing my first withdrawal. They don't have instant withdrawals, but that withdrawal, my first withdrawal, went fast. Well, faster than I thought. With Niolic, we have instant withdrawals. That one is pretty cool. And this other one, Celestion, is also super fast. It took only a couple of seconds. TronGi is also paying fast. You can get those payouts just after a couple of minutes, and they've been paying like that for the last 2 months. I think this week we will reach the first 2 months here in TronGi. Now there is a project that I think is a rock pool, guys, because I request a withdrawal, but it never arrived for the last 2 days, so I don't know what happened. If you log in, or if you come to this page, you will see a pop-up right here talking about this one, a new investment plan. Obviously this is super degen, and the numbers here are absolutely insane returns. We knew from the beginning this type of projects might not stay long. They invite me here to try it. I told you that from the beginning, but I think this one is not that popular anyways. I requested a withdrawal 2 days ago, and no, they haven't paid. Yeah, 2 days that I've been waiting, and I haven't received it, so I think this is over. I'm not sure. I sent a message to support, but they are not answering, so this might be a rock pool, but I don't know. I'm not sure yet. And there is another project that I keep waiting for the payout. I'm talking about Astro earnings. We've been having a great run here. I got started with 200, and I already pulled out 1,600. At the beginning, their returns were super degen, over 4% or 5% every single day. Then they readjust the whole plan, and we were receiving lower numbers, but in my opinion that was a good idea because it kept this project more sustainable. They moved to Discord. We are still using the app in Telegram, but they are working in a different app that we can use with Android devices. They are giving us this web dashboard where we can monitor our entire account. I mean, all of that, it's pretty cool, but the most important is the payouts. And I've been waiting for my payout for almost 9 days now. They say it's only 5 days. So I went to ask, hey, what's going on? What's the problem? And support says, no, we have a problem with the payouts. We are doing this manually. We are processing payouts from the day October 20th. That was the message last week. So 2 days ago, I went to ask again, hey, what happened with the payouts? And they say, no, we are starting now to process the payouts of the October 21st. I request my payout on the 30th, actually, the 30th of October. So if they don't find a solution to this problem, I will receive that payout until next year. Or who knows, probably this is the end, because they might want to keep the friendly approach to invite more people to come here. I'm not sharing my link anymore because we don't know what's going to happen. Again, if they come back, if everything is solved, if I get my withdrawal, which is right here, I request this 500, well, I will let you know. But for now, we don't know what's gonna happen. We are in standby. Another project that is doing really well is Glory Assurance. This is more like a play to earn option. It's producing a 24% every month. The minimum deposit here to get started is 315. We need to guess the number in the next blockchain transaction. So that's pretty cool. We have the results coming from the blockchain, and the insurance is going to protect your deposit. I have a full review where I explain how all of that works. I'm going to put it right here. Definitely you should take a look if you're the type of person that like to have reports of all the things that are happening behind the scene. This option can give you that. And if you have any other questions, remember that you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. Well guys, thank you so much for staying here until the end. This was my general update about all the opportunities that we have right now. Before we go, let me invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Thank you in advance for your support. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing week. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.